Hello everyone, in today's video we are traveling to Cherrapunjee and also I will take you to this lovely resort which is located in such a beautiful place. My name is Jitu and you are watching Suti Golpo. So welcome back everyone. Right now it's almost 5:30 AM and currently I am traveling to Guwahati. From Guwahati I will be joining Jeevan, Banita and Suman, and we are planning to travel to Cherrapunjee today. So our plan is to stay for the night, then explore some places out there and maybe return by tomorrow. Good morning Guwahati. So it's 6 AM now and I've reached Guwahati. For most of the people in Guwahati, Shillong or Cherrapunjee has always been a place to escape from the summer heat of Guwahati. So with such a rise in temperature, even we decided to travel to Cherrapunjee and beat the heat. The first thing we did after entering Meghalaya is have a quick breakfast at Nongpo. For us, this trip was a way to get away from the hectic work schedule and have some good time. We were not planning to go to any place with a lot of people around, so we stopped at places wherever we felt good and enjoyed the beauty of Meghalaya. For me, the drive towards Cherrapunjee, the beautiful landscape and the weather has always been a stress buster. After crossing Shillong, we decided to check in to a good place and have our lunch there, and thus we reached Cafe Cherrapunjee. So this is Cafe Cherrapunjee. The plan was to have lunch here and then proceed to our destination. But unfortunately for us, the place is closed today. So we are just taking some pictures here and then we'll proceed. As it happens in Cherrapunjee, the weather kept on changing and now we had to look for another place to have our lunch. सच बोलूं, अगर चेरापूंजी में आए और बारिश न हो तो कुछ मजा नहीं आता। तो बस ये पहाड़ों वाली मैगी और इन हसीन नज़ारों का मज़ा लेने के बाद हम निकल पड़े अपनी मंजिल की ओर।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गुवाहाटी के गर्मी से आके अभी यहाँ पे चेरापूंजी की वादियों में बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे।
When traveling to Cherrapunjee, every now and then you come across a place where you feel like stopping. And thus, making quite a few stops on the way, we reach the resort where we have planned to stay for the night. Entering the resort, the first thing we all noticed was the beautiful location. Bangladesh. So this is where we are staying tonight. Name of the resort is called Abode of Clouds. Sorry, on the clouds, I guess. I'll try to show you the resort what I can now, or maybe by tomorrow morning I'll give you a view of the place. For now, let's check the rooms. Okay, thank you. We had booked 2 rooms for us, and after freshening up, we immediately went out to enjoy the beautiful view out there. I hardly flew my drone for some time and decided to do it in the morning, as it was time for sunset and I wanted to sit there and enjoy the view peacefully. The place down in front of us is Bangladesh. Spending such a lovely and peaceful time in the evening, I planned to wake up early and watch the sunrise as well. We ordered our dinner in the room and slept off after passing some good time amongst us. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning now, and this is the place we are staying yesterday night. You can sit here and watch Bangladesh over there. So I was planning to watch the sunrise from behind those mountains, but the sun is already up there. It went from inside those clouds and it's up there right now. The morning at this place is so peaceful and pleasant. You can sit here and feel the freshness all around. We were all so happy to be here and glad that we found this place. The resort has 10 rooms for now, and it has a very nice service and quality food as well. I would like to thank Anjum Ahmed who helped us in booking rooms here. Anjum has a travel company called Wings Escapade, and they can arrange and plan your travel across the whole Northeast India. I will leave his contact details in the descriptions, Do check it out and contact him for any queries. From here we went to this beautiful waterfall called Fruit Waterfall. I will show you this in my next video, so keep watching. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel if you like the video.